Razzor RZ2202. Check online for further details about your color. This is black. Let's open this up. Show you what it looks like inside the box. One arm, center wheel base. After unpacking everything, we have here are the leg bottoms. We have here are the plastic wheels. And they simply just match up like for like. That's it. I'm going to put all the arms like so together. We have a kit, right angle, some bolts that's going to be M6 2.0 millimeter, 5 pieces. You're going to place on, slide between the plastic, bolt down, all the bolts are tightened down, turn upside down. You have a piston that's going to slide into place like so. We have a chair bottom that's going to basically fit in. Take this out of the way. Put the base on. Have the words facing front. Have this facing front. And get the bolts that go in. M620, uncertain of the front, the words black, always on black are there. And you're going to start to screw down. Four M625s, the back, the arms. Carefully take a look at the arms. They are marked R for right. They're going to be matched up like so. Place in a bolt. Try to lock down. Repeat for the left. And lock down. Having the arms folded back will make your job a lot easier to work on the bolts. We have 4 caps. We're going to close up. Pay attention to the caps. One is larger than the other. The deep hole gets the larger cap, which are the ones towards the bottom. The narrow ones go on the top of both. Deep, narrow. Washers and 35s and the rest on this side are your spare. Over a leading edge, slide on your seat. A washer and a bolt, and repeat for all others. Lock down. Your chair base, your upper chair, this hole to that piston like so. Grab the side, lift up to the height you like, fold the arms down. You got a nice Razzor RZ 202. Lumbar support, breathes nice and comfortable, airy. Cloth material, black. Got a nice feel. If I need to lift an arm up to get to the side or the other side, or have no arms and sit underneath the desk that is low, this is a low profile chair for those desks that's got the keyboards that may get in the way with your arms. This is the chair, the lumbar support, the back port. Nice chair, very easy to put together, very simple to build. I hope this chair is something that you are looking for in a chair that you can be adjustable any height that you want. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.